My name is Mbali Nhlapo, and I'm the housekeeper. Dumelang, hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Chanelo M, and if you are new here, please do me the honors. Please do kindly subscribe and join my amazing beautiful family. And if you are a returning subby, thank you for coming back and thank you for sticking around. So today I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to take Cipla Actin effectively to gain weight and also to maintain that weight. Okay, so prior to this, I created 2 videos on Cipla Actin where I talk about why I started taking the pills, how I took them, and the side effects that I encountered while taking Cipla Actin. So without any waste of time, let's get right into this video. Okay, just a disclaimer before we continue. I'm not a doctor, I'm not an expert. I'm just talking from total experience of no qualification whatsoever. So yeah, please bear with me while I go through these tips. I hope they do work for you and I hope they benefit you. Some of them are what I wish someone had told me before I started taking Cipla, you know. So yeah. Okay, so tip number 1, use tissue oil or any product of your choice that you trust to treat stretch marks and to mask their appearance before they become worse while you're taking Cipla Actin. Ne? The reason why I'm saying this is because Cipla Actin, obviously you're going to gain weight, and as a result your skin is going to, that organ is going to be stretching, right, at a rapid rate, and now you're going to get what? Stretch marks. So to try and prevent that, I'm warning you while it's still early, get tissue oil or bio oil, whatever product that you trust, ne, to just mask the appearance of those stretch marks before they become worse, ne? Because now I have stretch marks that I'm still trying to treat that I got from using Cipla Actin because I was eating a lot and I was gaining weight. So I am just warning you, or just get something that can help you with the stretch marks before they get out of control. So right now I just purchased, what's this? Hyaluronic acid, something like that. I'll try to put a picture of it somewhere here so you can see what I'm talking about, and I'm just using that to try and help me with the stretch marks. I think you can just see some of them over here already, and I have others on my hips, and I never really had a problem with stretch marks until I started taking Cipla. So to just avoid that, before going any further, purchase that tissue oil or bio oil and start applying it where you're just seeing smaller stretch marks that are appearing. Apply it there to help you with that. Okay, point number 2, guys, when you're taking Cipla, make sure that you increase your food intake. Bear in mind that Cipla does not give you the weight, it is just there to help you with appetite. What you have to do is meet the pill halfway and eat. You have to eat. Initially the pill was meant to treat allergies, right? And now as a result, these people are like, no man, how are these people that we are meant to treat their allergies, they're also having a lot of appetite? So no, this is a side effect. So now we are taking it as an appetite booster, you see, to help us gain weight. So you drinking the pill and not eating is not going to help. So you need to meet the pill halfway and eat. Increase your food intake. Make sure that you take a lot of fibrous carbohydrates. I'm talking about your spinach, your brown rice, your beans, and so forth, ne? And also try to incorporate healthy fats as well. The mistake that I did, I was eating everything and anything. Whatever I saw in front of my eyes that was food, I was just taking in. I didn't care what is it bad fats, is it too much fat, is it too oily? I was just eating, you know. So as a result, I was gaining unhealthy fat that I'm now trying to lose and get toned. But now it's a little bit hard because I was just eating everything and now I'm just, you know, I just have fat. And it's not healthy fat. So to try and prevent that, just make sure that as you increase your food intake, try to incorporate healthy fats as well, your avos, you know, some nice fibrous carbohydrates to just help you gain healthy weight. I hope you heard me. Point number 3, guys, when you take Cipla, please make sure you have that vitamin B complex on your bedside as well, that you will take after your meal. You only take 1 capsule after a meal or a soft gel. The mistake that I did me tell you the mistake that I made. While I was taking Cipla for the first time, I was so bold. I even said it on my video where I wasn't taking vitamin B complex, and as a result, when I stopped, I lost the weight. Like, I lost the weight that I gained because I didn't have appetite anymore. I wasn't eating, so I just lost the weight. So to just help you maintain that weight, take vitamin B complex as well. Now you can get it at Clicks. It's not that expensive really. So you will take your Cipla, right, and then eat, and then after that, after dinner, take 1 capsule or 1 soft gel, 1 pill, vitamin B complex, because it also helps you with metabolism. It helps to break food down in your system while you're sleeping. So avoid that mistake of just taking Cipla without taking vitamin B complex, because you will definitely lose the weight once you stop taking Cipla. Trust me, trust and believe. I'm talking from what experience. Thank you. Tip number 4, guys, if you are working, if you are working, ne, like mereko, if you are bereka, if you are sebenza, ne, or if you are attending school or classes during the day, please don't take Cipla Actin in the morning, because you'll sleep the whole day at work or at school. So I would recommend that if you're someone who is busy during the day, take Cipla at evening. Take it at evening. In the evening, take 1 pill before you have your meal, before you have your supper, and then you can go to sleep afterwards. But if you don't have much going on for you during the day, then you can take 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, depending on how you would like to take it. But I wouldn't recommend exceeding 3 pills per day, because we don't want you to die. Also, please do check in with your doctor before buying Cipla Actin, guys. Check in with your dietitian, check in with your doctor, especially if you have chronic illnesses or chronic diseases or some sort of illness, né? Because I'm not out here recommending you to buy things that are going to interfere with your health condition. Thank you. And last but not least, this video is short. Last but not least, work out as you take the pill. Work out as you gain the weight to help you tone your muscles, and so that you don't just gain unhealthy fat. Make sure that you work out to tone the features of your body. I think that's also one of the mistakes that I did. I wasn't working out, I was just eating and sleeping. And also the working out will also help you with it will also help you with the exhaustion that you experience while taking the pill. So yeah, that's it from me. I really hope these few tips work for you. I don't really have much to say about the pill, because I already exhausted so much in the previous 2 videos that I made on Cipla Actin. You can find them somewhere on my feed, on my video page. You'll definitely find them there. Please do watch them, because I really do share some valuable information on those videos. This is probably the last video I'll ever make on Cipla. This is how the pills look like. This is how the pills look like. They are 30 tablets, so it's 3 trays made up of 10 tablets on each. It looks something like this. It's around 60 bucks at Clicks. You do not need a description for Cipla Actin, guys. You don't need a description. You just go there where they sell, what's this, at the pharmacy center at Clicks, or you can go to Discam and you just tell them, I'm here for Cipla, and then you will definitely be given something like this. I've never seen a different box from this, and they all look like this. And also, when you purchase them, you can then read that paper for yourself, where they tell you about the dosage, the side effects that you may experience. I already spoke of the side effects that I experienced in my videos, so bear in mind as well that the side effects may be different for everyone. Sometimes some side effects may be too much for people, to a point where they're like, you know what, I can't continue taking these pills. But for others, they're very mild. For example, I experienced diarrhea, and I think I was just hallucinating. But definitely after 1 week of consistently taking the pill, these side effects just, they vanish, or they subside rather. So yeah, I am still saying I recommend Cipla for gaining weight, and however, you must just make sure that you are taking it for the right reasons. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the information that I shared is valuable to you. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please follow me on IG at channel.m. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. I love you guys so much. Until then, bye.